try opening my catalog from school. And this happens. Won't click on file. It won't let me import anything. I'm clicking on all this stuff. Nothing. These are not the ones that's in my file because it should have my current stuff and what's on my hard drive, and that is not here. Because also this is the only picture on here that's new. So, and I'm on my hard drive. It does not even have a place for me to pick desktop or hard drive or anything. And that's all supposed to be working because it works at my school. Because this is the catalog for my school. And none of these are opening. I should be able to have access to all of these. If I try going from here, I get the same thing. So I basically would have to re-download everything and create a whole new catalog when all that's already created and I need it for school. So, where's the stop button?